You think plug-in hybrids are boring? Think again. The Geely Galaxy Starshine 8 is not just another sedan. It's Geely's bold attempt to prove that a family-friendly hybrid can look stunning, feel luxurious, and still be priced like an everyday commuter. With claims of an electric-only range around 130 kilometers and a total combined range that borders on unbelievable, it's clear this isn't your average hybrid. But the real shock comes when you see what's inside this car. Trust me, the Chinese automakers are out here rewriting the rulebook while the rest of the world is still flipping through the index. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you might start questioning why you're still paying so much for premium badges. And hey, if you love deep dives into futuristic cars and honest takes on Chinese innovation, go ahead and subscribe to Torque Atlas right now. From the outside, the Galaxy Starshine 8 looks every bit like a luxury fastback meant to turn heads on the highway. At over 5 meters long with a sleek, stretched silhouette, it carries that executive sedan vibe that screams confidence. The design language is sharp and sophisticated, sort of like if a BMW 5 Series and a Tesla Model S had a baby that learned minimalism from a Volvo designer. Up front, you've got a clean LED signature that feels futuristic but not overdone. And the side profile gives you those elegant coupe-like lines that shout business class, not budget sedan. It's bold without being shouty, and it manages that tricky balance between high-end appeal and everyday accessibility. Park this next to a Mercedes EQE or an Audi A6, and most people wouldn't guess it's half the price. Step inside and you're hit with a cabin that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Geely absolutely went wild here, in the best way possible. The interior features a 15.4-inch central touchscreen, a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, and even an optional 26.6-inch augmented reality head-up display. It's like living inside a tech expo. The materials? Surprisingly premium. Some trims get Napa-style leather, a glowing ambient lighting setup, and ultra-slim air vents that make the dash feel futuristic yet uncluttered. But the real kicker is the tech integration. Roof-mounted LiDAR, 5mm wave radars, 10 cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. This isn't a budget car with a screen. This is a full-blown ADAS suite that's ready to rival Tesla's Autopilot or BMW's Driving Assistant Plus. It's so packed with sensors that you might joke that it can probably sense your bad driving decisions before you make them. And that's what makes the Starshine 8 special. It feels like luxury redefined. Not luxury that's expensive because it can be, but luxury that's smart. You've got high-end touches, voice control, 5G connectivity, and intelligent cabin features that make you wonder how this thing costs less than some compact SUVs. Honestly, if you love gadgets and comfort, this car's interior will make you grin every time you sit down. And if you're enjoying this walkthrough so far, drop a like, because I'll keep bringing you these deep dives into the world's most interesting new rides. Now, don't let the sleek shape fool you. It's still practical. The Starshine 8 is a 5-seater with plenty of legroom and headroom thanks to its long base wheel. The trunk space is generous enough for luggage, strollers, or Costco runs, and the hybrid battery is smartly packaged so it doesn't eat into storage. Think of it as the family sedan that doesn't make you feel like you gave up on fun. For context, it's roughly the size of a Toyota Avalon or a Volkswagen Passat, but with the tech and design flair that makes it feel far more modern. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is where Geely's engineering magic happens. The Starshine 8 runs on Geely's Thor plug-in hybrid system, pairing a 1.5-liter gasoline engine with electric motors and either a 5.8 kWh or 18.4 kWh LFP battery pack. Depending on which version you pick, you'll get around 60 to 130 kilometers of pure electric range, based on China's CLTC cycle, which means that you can do most daily commutes without burning a drop of fuel. When you do hit the road for longer trips, the hybrid system kicks in smoothly, keeping fuel consumption impressively low. Sure, the CLTC numbers might be a bit optimistic compared to EPA ratings, but it's still impressive for a mid-size sedan. Now, let's talk price, because this is where jaws drop. You'd expect all this tech, comfort, and style to cost a small fortune, right? Wrong. In China, the Starshine 8 starting price converts to roughly the mid-$20,000 range, depending on specs and trim. That's less than half the price of a Tesla Model 3 or a BMW 3 Series, and yet it gives you features that those cars charge thousands extra for. It's one of those moments where you just have to say, how are they doing this? And that's what's making people all over the world sit up and pay attention. Here's why this car matters. The Starshine 8 is proof that Chinese automakers are not just catching up, they're innovating faster. They're offering luxury-level tech and design at a price that feels almost unfair. If Geely or its sister brands like Volvo or Zeekr decide to bring this platform overseas, it could genuinely shake up the midsize sedan market. Suddenly, the definition of value changes, because it's no longer about cheap materials or stripped-down trims. It's about giving buyers premium experiences without the premium markup. But hey, no car is perfect. There are questions, and big ones. The range numbers we're hearing are CLTC, not EPA, which means real-world results could be quite different. Crash safety ratings for global markets are still unknown, and Geely's international service networks aren't as established as Toyota or Ford. Reliability over time, still a mystery. So here's the million-dollar question. Would you trust a $25,000 Chinese hybrid packed with sensors and screens over a proven Japanese or German brand? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious how you see it. So what do you think? Future family car or future flop? Personally, I think the Galaxy Starshine 8 is the kind of car that turns skeptics into believers. It's got design, performance, and features that scream premium, but without that premium punishment to your wallet. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Torque Atlas, and ring that bell, because next time we're pitting this sleek hybrid against the XPeng G9, and trust me, you'll want to see who comes out on top. This is Torque Atlas, where we explore the cars redefining the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.